Every one of us thinking of our retirement and then retirement corpus and everything. So without money in this world, we can't able to do anything. How much money needed for retirement or something like that? We need to find the corpus amount. That corpus amount calculators we are available online. So just you put retirement calculator India in Google and then you put enter. And after in that you will be available with this website. This is like a Standard Chartered, that bank website. So just right click and open. So you already opened it. So here it is asking for your current age. For example, I am just going to put my age 28. And when do you intend to retire? Actually, I want to retire as soon as possible because from 6 years onwards, I am just struggling for my life. Okay, so I can put retirement age as 35. So expected life expectancy, which means until which age do you want to live? Why 80? And after 80, if you are living, you should die immediately or what? This doesn't make sense, right? So I'm just going to put 100. See, even the website also not going to take a three-digit number. So I can put 99 maximum. So what are your current monthly expenses? So actually before it was like around 65,000. Now I'm just going to put a roughly at least living expenses. I'm just going to put 12,000. So present value of any existing retirement corpus. If you have any investment or FDs, you can able to put here. I'm just going to put for an example 2 lakh. So expected inflation rate per annum, I am just going to take 7%. Inflation in the sense like how the price is going to be affected in future. For example, you are going to buy one product for ₹1,000 this year. So the next year, the price of the product will be 1,250. So the difference in the price 250, that is called inflation. So by default, it is like 7%. And expected return on investment. Mostly bank FDs and secured investment, it will give you only 4%. So I'm just going to put 4%. Then, so if you want to retire by 35 and if your age is 28, so through this website, you can able to calculate your retirement corpus. I found this Standard Chartered website is more practical in calculating our retirement corpus, and we can able to easily get a solution for our monthly investment. So I found it there is a mistake in this website when we are calculating. So it is not updating by itself. So the corpus money is not the actual one. So this is what the actual one. So I just updated again. So it got updated. So our technology also having some drawbacks like this. So smartphone not being smart at all. Like that, we also having some drawbacks with our technology. So after updation, I got a result like I must invest 4.3 lakhs around every month so that I can able to accumulate 4.15 crores. So 4.15 crores I need to retire by another 7 years. So for this 7 years, I must invest 4.4 lakhs per month. Oh my God, this is a huge money. But people are making lots of money. I know many people in Gulf countries and also in Western countries, they are making even a 1 month, 1 crore also they are making. For them, it is not an issue at all. They can able to settle in their life within a year. But for me, saving every month minimum 40,000 also, it's very difficult. So in that case, like people like me, it is difficult for them to retire at all. It's so crazy to know our retirement corpus money, but and it is also very difficult to like accumulate that. Anyway, like if you want to calculate your corpus money, then you can use this website. It's not updating well. So whenever you trying to calculate, like we are getting some error in our corpus fund. So better you can calculate by yourself in your Excel sheet. If you want to excel in your life, you must use Excel sheet. So this is what I am doing from my childhood, which means like after getting computer, I got the computer on 2010, I think. From that onwards, I am using a Excel a lot. So if you are using Excel a lot, then all the calculations you can keep in track with you. So I will show, I have made one video before. So just I put my name. So just click and then just go to playlist. So in this playlist, I have a yearly retirement playlist. So view full playlist and see here I have created three videos. All these three videos are like gems. If you want to learn some good stuff, you can able to watch this. And in that I was using Excel. I'm just clicking this video.
Here are three pieces of advice.
இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோல நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா ரிட்டையர்மென்ட் ஆக போறீங்களா, உங்களுக்கு எவ்வளவு ஃபண்ட் தேவைப்படுது அது.
See, this is the Excel sheet I have made myself, so I can able to see how much retirement corpus I need. For example, if I am spending 6,000 every month, I considered inflation rate as 6%, and immediately I want to retire, means I must have 65.6 lakhs. So like this, another example. So if I am spending 25,000 every month, and if I want to immediately retire, I must have 2.8 crores. So this makes sense. So I never follow anything. I am the benchmark for myself. I am proud to be say like that. So it's simple. So you must put all your talent to explore yourself, and you will get a solution. Just Excel will solve. So you can watch this video. I will put the description. I will put the link also.